Super excited for the webinar on AI tools coming up on Thursday. There are so many tools out there. I think I've got the top ones, at least what I think are the top ones for school communicators to use. One that I wanted to kind of just like put out there. Many times you might come across a video that was done a long time ago and you want to re-edit that video, but you can't because you want to pull out the person's voice, but you've got their voice and then you've got a music track to kind of go along with it. So you can't cleanly take that voice out. At least you couldn't. Now you can. And super excited to be able to show off this new AI tool as well as several others that are going to help streamline your workflow and just make things easier, as well as some of the ethical considerations and things to be thinking about as we navigate this new world of AI. So if you haven't registered for the webinar, please do so below. There's some sort of link below to the side somewhere, wherever this is posted, and we'll see you on Thursday.